This is how you're going to import data into Salesforce. The recommended tool for simple imports up to 50,000 records is the Data Import Wizard. So in order for us to use it, just make sure that you are in your dashboard of Salesforce. And then from here, you're just going to select this quick settings right here at the top right corner of your screen. And then you're going to click on Open Advanced Setup so that we can access all of the settings that we want to use. Now from the quick find section right here from the search bar, we're just going to type in Data Import Wizard so that we will be able to find it easily, and then you will be able to find it under Integrations tab. So we're just going to click on Data Import Wizard, and then we're going to click on Import My Data. Now from the Import Your Data, we're just going to follow all of the prompts right here. You can they actually have a video tutorial right here, but we're just going to skip the screen, and then we're going to click on Start. I'm going to show you how we can do this. You're going to click on Start, and then from there you're going to choose whether you want leads, contacts, accounts, campaign members, depending on what you want to import. So for example, we just want to import some leads. We're going to click on Next after, and then from there you're going to answer who are your leads. So you can add other companies or maybe individuals if you want. So you're just going to choose individuals. So it really depends on what kind of data you're about to import. Now you have to have a CSV file, so make sure that the file that you're going to import here is already converted to CSV. So if you don't know how to turn a file into CSV yet, I already have a tutorial on that, so please check out the channel. I'm going to click on Next after, and then from there we're going to click on Upload Files, and then we're going to import this import file that is already in CSV. As you can see, it is in CSV file. We're going to click on Open, and then from there our Data Import Wizard is actually going to scan this document once we hit on Next, so that it will be able to read all of the data that we have here. So from there, we're just gonna have to make sure that we choose a Salesforce feed. So from there, we can just choose the kind of field that we want. We can just choose whatever email. You can also add a new field if you want, but this one opens a new tab. And then I'm going to show you that in another tutorial. So comment down below if you want a tutorial for that. And then from there, we're going to just complete all of these necessary details, and then once we have it complete, and then making sure that all of your information match either full name or first name and last name, and then we're gonna have to try this again, and then we're gonna have to make sure that all of this matches already. And then once we have done filling out all of the details that is needed, and we made sure that all of the information matches together, we're going to hit on Import, and then it will be automatically imported into your Salesforce data. And that's it. That is how you can import data into Salesforce the easiest way, using Data Import Wizard. If this video helped you, please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this.